So, what about the competition's prices? Well, the competition's prices have an impact on what price you can charge for a couple of reasons. All right. First, understand that the competitor's prices help determine the reference price for your customers. And so your customers' idea of the range of prices that ought to be acceptable are in part based on what the competition's prices are. The second reason that competitors' prices are important is because of this concept of cross-elasticity of demand. If your prices stay the same and your competitors' prices go down, you will undoubtedly lose some business to the competition. So what do? If your competitors' prices go down, do you lower your price, or do you keep your prices the same? This is one of the big dilemmas for marketers to try to decide, when do I match competitors' price discounts and when do I maintain my prices? All right, so there is this notion of the idea of the competitive price positions. So if I price my product just above the competition's price, then the idea is I am signaling that mine is a quality, better product than the competition. So if I price my product just below the competition's, what I'm trying to do then is to signal to customers that my product is a better value. It is as good or better than the competition's, and it costs less. So what about the idea of setting the price the same as the competition? In many product categories, soda is a really good example. Many of the competitors have the price virtually the same at any particular point. Well, if I price my product the same as the competition, it forces customers to decide which product they're going to buy based on something other than price, and therefore reduces this focus of the customers on using price as a decision tool. Note on competitive aggressiveness. So the problem is I need to understand what my competition, how aggressive my competition is to lower price to increase demand. The local golf business here in Las Vegas has become very, very competitive. There are more golf courses than there are numbers of people who want to play golf in terms of enough demand. So some golf courses are closing. Others have become very competitively aggressive in terms of pricing strategy. And boy, that really makes that a difficult business to operate in.